with his buy of Trent. He's making a sizable amount of money in both, but he's got 90,000 shares of Bajaj Housing. What's the view?
So view is positive. First of all, good AUM growth, which this company has posted. So I believe they have posted the AUM growth of more than 20%, maybe 25, 26%. And in fact, their ROA and ROEs, because these ratios which I'm talking about, they hold key importance to any NBFC. So ROA of around 2.4%, ROE of around 11%, good growth figures. The only problem is with the valuation, and I think that was the major reason we have seen beating down also in this counter. But going ahead also, since 56% of the portfolio is coming from the home loans and the kind of environment which we are into, where the interest rates are now we are seeing on the downside, definitely these NBFCs are well poised to show more upside from here. No need to worry. I think remain invested in this counter, and initial price target which one can set is at around 150 to 160 odd levels.
So don't go by that loss number. Of course, Raju, you don't need me to tell you that. You clearly know what you're doing. For the viewer though, just take a look at the number of units Raju has acquired, 90,000, right? So ultimately his buy price is 1.2 crore. And on that, he's losing about 1.6 lakh. Not too much if you think about it. And he's made okay, while sensibly, a lot of people talk about having a lower concentration risk, but this is not a bad company. It's got a proven track record, and he's taken an outsized allocation towards one company. It depends on what your strategy is. So bear in mind, he's taken an outside position. Maybe that does not fit for you. We've got the next question. Smithy from Bengaluru is asking this question. She's got a question on Newland Laboratories, which she's bought 16 shares of, and at a price of 5,362. She's asking whether to book profits or to hold for the long term. She's making a sizable gain here as well. 1.25 lakh is the profit. Swati, would you book right now?
I will suggest to hold on because this particular counter on the weekly chart is on the verge of giving the symmetrical triangle formations. So whenever such kind of a formation breakouts we get, definitely we are likely to witness a very strong upside, nearly at least 5 to 10% from here onwards. For a short-term period of time, I am looking for a target of 14,300 levels. Beyond that level, 15,200 levels can be seen. Since the buying price is at the low price, we can take a risk of standing out at the current market price. So hold your long position if you want to keep a profit. Stop loss 12,500 is the crucial short-term support level. So by keeping that as a profit stop loss, you can definitely hold on your long position.
Okay, all right. We've got a next call.